We're back in Kamakura. I started Japanese lessons.
20 levels are
Wow, we saw the fireworks. Moichiro. Oh!
Did you get that?
Yeah.
ちょっとベロベロ。もう一度お願いします。もう一度できませんよ。
もう一度。
できません。
もう一度。できるできる。
できる？
頑張って。
ベイブレイド。ぐらいに。
わかんない？
何って言ってる？
ベンジは中国人です。
中国人。あとは我是台湾人。我是台湾人。哦，なるほど。你是中国人，我是加拿大人。好乐。哦，原来。That's 2 earthquakes today.
大丈夫、Taiga?
Kind of big one.
We are at Tanabata Festival. Yay! Chikawa が可愛いよ。何の話？面白い。
そうこれかどここれか
あーこれだ紹介されてるから
ここまで歩いてた
How's your chicken?
delicious
It's a chicken in a bag.
Chicken in a bag.
Juicy. Yukata shopping. She bought her yukata. Not this one. Yay.
Yay
Wow. That one's so cool.
What kind of thing they are selling here?
Sumo. Sumo wrestling?
It's pretty new but it's
はい、夜ね。ほが綺麗。
夜の方が綺麗
かわいい。
There's a multiple layers
Wow. もう一回写真。
ここイエーイ
We have updates. We're in Japan. Still.
Yeah, why aren't we in Taiwan?
Cheers.
Cheers. In Japan, you're supposed to say kampai.
Oh, kanpai. It is July.
July what? 6th.
July 6th. That means in 5 days we would have been here for 7 months. Benji.
東京はとても便利です。受けました。
Oh, 受けました. Yeah.
Nori. Nori.
What's nori?
No.
Oh.
No. R-I. Like, it's nori is seaweed.
Yeah.
JLPT の試験を受けました。あ、昨日。
What's your next goal in Japan?
JLPT in 4.
頑張って。Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Ben. We're back in Kamakura.
At a Hawaiian restaurant. There's the ocean.
What are you pointing at?
The ocean.
Oh, yes, that's the ocean. This is refreshing. Where are we going after, Benji?
To the ocean.
To the ocean. We made it to the beach. I guess I need to cover my tattoos at this beach.
Vicky's breaking rules.
Do you see anyone with tattoos? Very different vibes from February. Ooh, bird.
Well, in February, none of this was here, and all the sand was rocks.
Really?
It was like different. Last time we were here in February, it was only saw like 2 other people. Now there's restaurants, people telling me people go to this. So beautiful. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Benji.
Matsuri.
Custard pudding.
Just drinks.
Oh. Oh, this looks so aesthetic.
Beautiful.
We just walked by the beach. Now we're at a coffee shop. Sipping on lemonade.
Should I try the lemonade?
It's really sweet.
Oh my god.
I started Japanese lessons.
Look at all those leaves.
Oh. Oh, that's so pretty. We're back.
This rice looks so good.
Yeah, we can eat now. I can't wait. 一番好きだ。美味しい。ちょっと辛い。好好吃的。好的。谢谢。口水，我们吃这个的时候，口水
哦，
有口水，所以
美味しい。
哇。
超好吃，超好吃。
The best thing ever.
Yeah, best food in Japan.
Wait.
20 never sorrow.
水
だけ。だけど、cheaper than last time. More delicious, but more cheaper.
今日は可以ですね。
我们很聪明。
僕たちは
かい。
二人。Oh my god, I love this song. 何度でも見るこの暗い目が慣れるこの
お疲れ。
次行こう、次。
次。ベンチ。
He's so good. You're Japanese or something.
日本人ですか？
日本人ですか？
もし台湾ね。
People on the streets. Why? Why? Nothing.
Sorry, I screamed a little bit. How will I speak tomorrow?
This is my favorite bento box from Tobu department store. It's 3 of these for like 12 Canadian.
Thank you, Ben. This is delightful.
1 fish, 1 croquette, 1 hamburger, tofu.
I just came from CrossFit and showered, so I look like a rat. Taste test. Pretty good. It's been a long week. I'm trying to document our life in Japan a little more.
It's a good idea. I don't do it, but I do.
You're trying a trick shot, nice.
That's okay, it's okay.
Ellie, how's your drink?
Oh, it's very good, this one. I love it. Really osusume.
Helps with the hangover.
Yeah.
Good shot.
It doesn't matter because we're not really playing like this. And just.
Vicky. Hi. This is so cute. Habu sake.
There is one that I really like, but it's kind of sweet. But there's another one that
You made eye contact.
She said happy hour. What if we have to?
Fuji-san. 珍しい。富士山見える？見えるかな？教えてくれて。これ難しいですね。わお、上手。閉められる。わあ。